on our way down toward Gowan Valley near Howick in the Natal Midlands. Right now we're on the N2 traveling south towards Durban, and I've got to say this road is lovely. Durban. We just went to the mall, a few provisions, heading towards Pietermaritzburg, Howick, which is Gowan Valley is to be found. This is the last little stretch of road between Howick and Gowan Valley. Oh, it's really nice. Here we are, Gowan Valley Guest Farm. You really so. The river runs through. Cotswold style. The reception. Hi, Dean. This is the restaurant where the B&B guests have their breakfast. Been sorted out by Tarryn, filling in for Deanne at the reception. It's very helpful, very informative. We are in tent number 2. 3 up there. That's probably us right there, I think. Quite familiar now with the layout, and I really do love the ones that have the braai barbecue as part of the deck, which is really nice, and they really love wood. This one belongs to Brett and Deanne Bouwer and family. It's quite small. There are only 5 tents at this particular Africamps, and these beds are really super comfortable. What's also nice is you've got the European plug as well, air conditioner, very important. And these showers work like a bomb. I promise you. That shower, bedroom number 2, there's another queen size bed. The hot tub right there. The view is just so amazing. I mean, that way there is just the most amazing view over green fields, and behind us is an amazing forest. And like there's a couple of these massive old oak trees. I'm a sucker for an oak tree. And these are such a fantastic idea. They drain it, clean it, sanitize it. So for each guest, and then every day they'll come and top it up. Fire in there. Gets really, really nice and warm, so I think we're looking forward to that. You can see the steam coming off there. Another log. The farm dog come to join us for a braai. Very friendly. The braai going, barbecue for non-South African. The rain is coming down. Another farm dog has come to visit, but we've got the meat on the fire. It smells good. You can see it's really coming down, but we've got the fire going inside, and really cool. We're visiting the site where Nelson Mandela was arrested on the 5th of August 1962. This place speaks a lot to me. Whatever your politics, left or right, center, doesn't really matter. Whatever your race, doesn't really matter. For me, the 2 months that we spent in lockdown where we couldn't really leave our house was probably the most traumatic experience in my life. Lost parents, lost friends, been through a war, and those 2 months, April and May 2020, I don't think I could repeat them, let alone spend 27 years in prison. So whatever your political or other beliefs, you have to respect this man, Nelson Mandela. So we're trying to find Howick Falls, but it's not very well signposted. I think we're on the right track. Victoria Falls, 1,358. There's actually all sorts of places like this along the way. Really interesting little shops, and they are actually different. Not the same thing over and over again, like you get some really amazing stuff. Each one is absolutely unique. It's a very cool coffee shop. Some interesting plant matter. We're going to take a walk through Piggly Wiggly. It is nice, but it's just very, you can get this really anywhere. There are a lot of places like this. It's what I would call yuppified. Don't know whether it's still a word. Used to be. It's not really original stuff you can get in any expensive mall. Not really my thing. Heading off on a forest walk, and it goes up here. It's a nice day for it. Misty, cool. You just look at this tree. And there's actually another one, which, if anything, is even bigger. And it just goes up and up and up.
There's a movement in the bush, so you can...
So you hear that there's movement in the bush, so I go first. It'll be quite cool. And Brigitta's going to give us a demonstration. There's our tent appearing out of the mist. Leaving Gowan Valley now. Sun's shining, everything's green, sky is blue. But that's how it is. You get the weather that you get. And that was our experience. We'll just have to come back one day. We're heading now back towards the Western Cape. About a 7-hour drive today and then another 7-hour drive tomorrow.